Hi, thank you for joining us. StartingPoint is a service management and delivery platform for companies and teams. It allows your team to manage service management, project management, team performance management, and customer success all through one tool. StartingPoint is simple to use, requires no coding, requires no IT resources, can be deployed within 1 hour, and no actions take more than 3 to 4 clicks to complete. Today, we're going to show you the admin panel. This is the panel that will allow you to configure and customize and manage your entire team through StartingPoint. Here is the admin panel. The admin panel allows you to perform several different functions, but primarily customize and manage your team. In the portal itself, you'll see new customers registered, new questions that have come in through the service management module, resolved questions that have been completed through the service management module, and all of the current projects your team is working on and the time spent on those projects this specific week. Now let's go into users and rights. Users have the ability to log in as administrators into the admin panel, and this allows them to customize the portal as needed. Customers allows you to see the current customers that are registered with login information for your service management module. The file library allows you to see all of the files that have been uploaded by your customers and clients into the portal itself. Now, team members have the ability to respond to questions and inquiries and create projects and manage their goals and tasks. And this is where you create their accounts for them. So you're able to see the accounts and the number of questions that they are currently working in the service management module. Questions tab allows you to see all of the questions that have come in from your customers and clients through the portal. Workflow allows you to create groups of your team members and employees and allows you to say, hey, if they are a part of the billing group and some are part of the support group, you can separate those two groups. And then what you'll do is you'll be able to create rules that will allow your team to respond to the proper service management inquiries. So if something is for the billing team, it will automatically be routed to the billing team. If it needs to be routed to the service and support team, it can be routed to the service and support team. The performance tab allows you to manage your team members' progress. First thing we'll talk about is goals. So all team members and employees should have goals within a company. This is where they're able to see those goals on a day-to-day basis through their StartingPoint interface. And you can see where their goals are progressing throughout the time of completing them. You also have the ability for checklists. So checklists allow you to assign your team specific items to get completed and for them to complete those and for you to be able to see the status of those checklist items. Here's the project management tab. The project management tab allows you to do a few different things. You can create projects for your team members, or you can also see the projects that your team members are working on and the project progress, along with how much time has been spent on each of the projects. So you can, if you need to build those and you need to just track time accordingly, you can do so. The templates tab allows you to do a couple of things, and these are standardized responses to either customers, projects, or service management inquiries that come in. And so within email templates, you're able to create email templates that go back to your customers. You're able to create response templates, and those templates are templates for service management requests so that your team doesn't have to endlessly respond back with customized responses. They can select a template and respond quickly. The project management template allows you to create a project from top to bottom. That's the project task, that's subtask, that's due dates, and it allows you to assign it to your team members to make sure that they're able to complete those tasks accordingly. The advanced settings tab is where you're able to customize the portal itself. So you have the logos, You can customize the color scheme of your portal. You can customize the subject of the questions in the service management module. You can customize the type of questions within your service management module, and you're able to create the priority as well. You can also create your filling settings. So on the front of your portal, you can modify the landing page heading, you can modify contact information, you can modify the social media links. You can also create an FAQ for your team so that when they're inside of your StartingPoint portal, any questions that are routine or they may want to find answers for themselves, they can do so through the frequently asked questions section. Within StartingPoint, kind of the goal for this is to make life easier on your team, your company, to manage what's occurring with your customers and clients after you've secured them as customers of your company. The most important thing that needs to happen is once you spend all that time and effort in acquiring a customer, you manage them after, and that's onboarding the customer, that's project management, that's service management, and that's also team management in order to manage how your team is performing. This is StartingPoint's admin panel. If you would like to learn more, please visit us at www.startingpoint.ai. Thank you.